Hello guys, it's Chris with marketingintelligence.com and I would like to welcome you to another great video on how you can make money online. Before we go ahead and start this video, really quick, I would like to invite you to click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation about making passive income from the comfort of your house every single day. And also I would like to ask you and invite you to click the link below in order to subscribe on my channel and follow my videos. So really excited, I'm really happy to show you this. Before you do anything else, stop anything, pause your phones, and let's go ahead and concentrate on this one. I've talked about this in the past, guys, about a great site, about a great way on how you can make money online very easily. And was a site called Yoonla, and now they took it to another great level. Yoonla Evolve. These guys are doing amazing. Everybody who's following this program are doing great. It's free to join. Every person that follows this, I get really good feedback. So what I would like you to do, stop anything you're doing right now. This is a very short video. Click the link below this video in order to take into this site in order to see what it's all about. It's free to register. The most important thing is free to register. Follow the procedures to register on this one. Is just put your email and your information. Join the program for free. Once you put your information, you join the program, activate your account. Again, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Follow on the left side all the promotions and advices they have and start making money guys today. This is amazing. Just stop anything. My video is short today, so you can focus on this. Click the link, follow it, you will thank me. Thank you so much, guys. I wish you an amazing day. Start doing this today. Start seeing some income coming in your inbox right away. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.